This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Your phone supports split screen and orientation is unlocked. Open the first app you want visible, then swipe to recent apps. Once there, press the app icon or long press its card and choose Split Screen. Many Android launchers label it differently. If you use gesture navigation, drag the card up and hold. Make sure the primary app is anchored in the top or left pane. This determines flow when you add the second app, so choose intentionally. Once the first pane is set, choose the second app. Tap it from recent apps or select from your home screen. It should open in the opposing pane instantly. Now adjust the divider. Drag to resize to 50/50 for equal use, or favor one app with about 70/30 when you need more space. You can also swap panes by dragging an app icon between them. Note, some apps don't support split behavior. If a screen turns black, try a different app or restart split mode. To finish, drag the center divider to the edge to return one app to full screen, or tap the close handle if available. If you encounter issues, lagging, one pane frozen, or blank screens, first close both apps and clear recent apps, then restart split mode. This often resolves memory conflicts. Make sure apps and the OS are updated, and if problems persist, reboot the device. If split screen still fails, check manufacturer settings. Some phones hide split features.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.